Hello students, so today we'll continue our discussion of lesson 9. So app development. So in this last class we discussed about different types of the apps, that is the native apps and the hybrid apps. Now today we'll study about the use of common applications, apps. So apps have become so prevalent today that a suitable one can found for almost any job. So we are preparing and every day to life we are seeing so many applications. Every organization is making their app, every school is making their app. So whether it is for learning, entertainment, social interaction, or even banking and e-commerce, there is an app for every purpose. For the learning purpose also we are using different app like the Byju's application we are using. For the entertainment purpose we are using different applications, apps. For the social interaction you are using WhatsApp and the face Instagram, or even for the banking also you are using Google Money or some other applications are there. Now see here the some educational apps. With the rapid increase of the mobile technology, so learning with the app become fun. Now there is a rapid spread of education to the remotest corner of the world. So this education is spreading everywhere, and this reach of the education is now uh, reaching to the every nook and corner of the world, to the every villages of the world where the internet connection, where the network infrastructure is there. Now today students in the far flung villages can easily access high quality educational resources due to the good infrastructure of the network only it is possible. So there are apps for levels of learning. All levels of learning for the apps are there. Apps not only help us to learn new concept, but also show us what is being taught in the classrooms. So students of all age groups can access a treasure chest of information on any topic. Now, so today, so many apps are there for the junior classes, for the higher classes, and for the research purposes. So many apps are there, which gives you the lot of information and which can increase your knowledge. So see the educational apps. Some one popular app is the Khan Academy, where you can get the tutorials for the physics and for the GS, general science. Now, educational apps are equally useful for both students and teachers. Teachers are able to distribute the study material quickly, conduct tests, and grade the students efficiently by using the apps like Google Classroom and Kahoot, etc. So parents too make use of the educational apps to interact more closely with the teachers and thus monitors the progress of their children. So in keeping with this trend, many online study resources like Khan Academy, Byju's learning apps, as well as online study platforms like edX and Coursera are now available via apps. Social networking. Now, in a world that is increasingly social and open, social media plays a significant role in communication. So social media apps let you post images, videos, and other updates to your profile, which can be shared with anyone. So you can connect with anyone across the globe easily with the help of the this Facebook or other apps, WhatsApp. So there are several types of the social networking application available today, and some of the popular social networking apps are listed below. So we will see some popular applications. Now see, this is the popular application, WhatsApp. You can find WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. All these are the popular uh, social networking applications, apps. Now see this WhatsApp with over 1.5 billion active users. WhatsApp is one of the most popular instant messaging application worldwide. Although initially started as a text messaging app, previously when it was started, we used WhatsApp for text messaging only. But now WhatsApp has rapidly grown and now offers high quality voice call as well as video calling. It has a simple interface and many useful features that make it a very popular application. Next is the Facebook. Now, Facebook, with nearly 2.23 billion active users today, continues to lead to the social networking sites. Uh, this Facebook means it allows all the registered users to create their profile. You can post the comments, you can exchange the information, you can share links, photographs, chat, play games, etc. While initially it was PC based, now Facebook is now available as per pre-installed application. Most of the mobile phones and tablets you are getting this Facebook as a pre-installed application. Means no, nowadays you are purchasing mobile, many mobile you will get already pre-installed this Facebook application. You don't have to install this. Twitter. Twitter is also a social networking application where people communicate in short messages like call tweets. And this tweeting is sent short messages to anyone who follows you on Twitter. So if anyone is not following you, so that person will not get the message with the expectation that your messages are useful and interesting to someone in your audience. So messages sent with this app were easily restricted to 140 characters at the starting time at the beginning when this Twitter introduced. At that time we can tweet one of only maximum 140 characters. Now with the advent of the smartphones, users begin to find this as an unnecessary hindrance. Therefore Twitter has now doubled this limit. Now we can tweet 280 characters. So many other social networking applications also there, like the Instagram, LinkedIn, and Reddit. Now, seeing the Instagram is another app social used for social networking. So this app specializes in sharing of the photographs. On the Instagram, we share photographs by the users. LinkedIn is a networking app that specializes in the sharing of business and professional information. On LinkedIn, you can create a profile and you can search the jobs on LinkedIn, and you can also uh, find the employees. You can hire the employees over the LinkedIn website. So here the employee and employer both are registered on the LinkedIn app. Reddit is a social news aggregation app. So registered users can upload news, stories, links, and other users can rate these stories by voting them up or down. So the stories with most upvotes are moved to the top of the category. Now after that, the entertainment apps are there. So about this so this is all for the today students. So we'll discuss about the remaining topics of this lesson in the next class. So thank you for your kind attention.